Kwanga na grant every year we give $5,000 per business. We have startups na pia business zenye zinaendelea. We give $5,000 ya kama ni seed, inaitwa seed capital. Tuna boost business biashara yako. $5,000 is about 600 and something thousand. That's a grant, purely grants. And we boost businesses. You come every year. There's a theme. Sometimes maybe it's climate. Sometimes it can be environmental impact. Sometimes it's in a vary per year. There's something we do something. So you come, that time wanapeana advert. You say what you want to do, and then we look at your businesses. Then unakuwa pre-qualified. Then you open an account. You might get it, you might not. Of course, the competition is very high. That is something we do. We give watu wengi benefit hapa Kenya. Maybe you can ask around your circles, nani amepata grant ya UBA? We give $5,000. Haya.